Hey everybody, I want to show you this painting from video 719, which I love. It was a swipe done with plastic wrap, and I've never tried one again, I don't think. So these cells are just amazing in this. So I want to try it again, this time on a bigger canvas. That one was a 6 by 12. This one is a 12 by 12. And it's the thicker gallery wrapped canvas. So, I watched that video again today because I couldn't remember how I did that swipe. I just thought it was a regular swipe that I had done using paper to swipe with. And then I saw the plastic wrap. I was like, ooh, that looks like fun. So I'm hoping I can strike gold twice. We shall see. So first I'm going to do my silicone white, which I'm using Spot On Treadmill silicone. And I'm just going to pour some in there and fill this up. I got a piece of crud in there. Get that out. More crud on here. I don't need that. Stir this up. Set that aside. And what I use to apply the paints are these plastic pipettes, which you can find them on my Amazon store, which is in the video description. They're very cheap. They can be reused. You can rinse them out with water. Ah, my God, did you see that? That was a big clod. I think it just got tilted off. It did. Yay! I don't have to dig it out. I don't have to find it again. I'm changing the colors a bit. I'm adding a Payne's Gray to make it a little darker, a little less red. Do the sides. Tilt to the side a little bit. I already dipped my shirt in. I always do that. All right. I feel like I need to stand. I am moving my chair. Okay, so let's start with the yellow. Shaking it up. And trying to think how I want to do this. Martian Blue, which has iridescent medium in it. So I've been on this diet. Has anyone heard of Optavia? I've been on it for like 5 weeks and I was doing great. And then I cheated. I cheated yesterday and today. I totally fell off the wagon. So now I gotta hop right back on that puppy. And it sucks, let me tell you. And I didn't even have anything that great. I went to breakfast today with a friend. Had an omelet and hash browns and toast. A Denver omelet. Hold the ham because I'm a veggie. And it just wasn't that great. So how sad is that when you break, you go binge off your diet and it's not that great. So then when I went to work, I had to have a Reese's peanut butter cup. So I had a Reese's peanut butter cup and that was better than my breakfast. But now I'm back on the wagon. Just thought I'd share that. This is Rose with iridescent medium. And now for the Payne's Gray. The white. Made a lot of white. Add a little bit more yellow, I think. Alright, and now my plastic. just hope it stays like this. It's really pretty. So again, this was the one that I was copying. I did a bit more swiping on this one. I took an extra sheet and did an extra swipe, and it's video 719 if you want to go back and look at it. But this turned out just how I wanted it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.